Okay guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing have finally started rolling out July update for Nothing 4A Pro. You can see here I have the device. If I show you the software information by going to About section, it's based on NothingOS 4.1. Android security patches of 1st July 2026. And if you see the build number is 1820. If you guys haven't received the OT update, you guys can go to the system update section and check manually. Because sometimes we have seen we don't get the notification of update. So this was the update for Nothing 4A Pro. And if you take a look at the update size, it's 374 MB. It do bring some useful features. But before talking about the features guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Now let's talk about the changes what they have done. So the first change is related to Essential Voice Enhancement, which says now you can customize whether a long press or double click of Essential key trigger translate or transcribe while typing. This can be set up by going to the Settings, Intelligent Toolkit, Essential Voice, and if you see a new option over here which says Customize Essential key. So now they have given few options like the long press, either you can choose between transcribe, translate or no action, and the same thing goes with the double click option where you can use it for all these three options. And if you want to completely disable this key, just select no action in both the tabs. And I'm seriously happy that Nothing have given this option. Previously users had no option to disable it or use other functionality. After that, another change related to Essential Voice, if you see it says quick switch between translation and transcription is now available by long pressing the icon on the keyboard. So for example, if you are using the keyboard over here and towards the left hand side you can see there is an option. If you long press on this now, you get two options. One is start translation and the second one is start transcription. Previously, which wasn't the case on Nothing phones. So these two new add-ons are quite useful. After that, talking about other changes which are related to camera, which says now you can lock the lens to keep your video framing steady by preventing automatic lens switching during recording. So by default, this thing will be turned off. In the settings, you need to enable it. So once you enable it, you can see the description, it says do not automatically switch lenses while recording the video. So it's a nice add-on so that device doesn't switch lenses automatically. After that, they say they have optimized camera memory usage for smoother shooting experience. This thing we'll get to know once we start using the device, and I'll keep you guys posted about it. Then they have refined the volume slider to allow seamless and more precise adjustment when dragging. So this is one change what they have done in the volume slider. So let me show you a screen recording which I did before updating the device. So this was the screen recording where you can see while sliding the slider, and whenever we go towards the bottom side, we used to have a huge circle. You can see that even when the volume slider is expanded. But now if I show you here, if I press the volume button and now if I slide towards the bottom side, you'll be able to see that circle completely gets vanished, and there we go, which wasn't the case before on the previous update. So this is one change what they have done here on this latest build. And let me open up the panel and see, and yes guys, it's the same thing with almost all the sliders. So here you can see this is how it looks when we are at minimal level. Not a major change, but yes, a minor one. And after that, they say they have added a security reminder for the face unlock, and I think here they are talking about this reminder. So whenever you go to the settings page, I mean the security and privacy, device unlock, tapping on face unlock, and if you're trying to add a new face, so let's try to add. So here they are talking about this face unlock security tip, because before installing this update I did add my face data and I did not get to see this pop up. I think this is the one what they have added, and overall device do feel smooth after this latest update. I'm also planning a long-term review of Nothing 4A Pro, so if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.